Hello, friends. Okay, no. Kids, how are you all? So, I'm back with a new video with a craft. This time, we are not going to study, we are doing a craft, and we are going to make our elephant. He is my friend, and his name is Gappu, the elephant. And today, I'm gonna to teach you how can you make your own Gappu, the elephant. Okay, for this, we'll need a blue color heart. It's a hard, thick paper sheet. We'll need a thick paper sheet A4 size, and the scissor will use a kid scissor. If you have a sharp scissor, you can help of your elder ones. Okay, we'll need a black sketch color, and we will need a glue. Yes, so let's make our craft. Our first step is you have to fold this A4 sheet into partition like this. A horizontal. Yes. Now you have to cut this sheet and divide it into two parts. You have a final product like this. We are going to use one sheet only. Then you just make a another fold in equal parts like this. Then open it and make another fold like this. Wherever we fold our first fold, in second fold we have to fold the sheet from that fold till that fold like this. So we'll have a fourth fold in this sheet like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now again fold the sheet and make a rectangle so that it will be a body of an elephant. I'm going to show you how can you make a rectangle. So you have to make, we will have a rectangle like this. Now what you have to do, remember one thing, the rectangle should be 1 or 2 inch from this fold. Okay, so now we have to cut it from the both parts. We are going to cut this rectangle and we will have a final product like this. Now what you have to do, you have to stick these. You have to stick this with this like this. We'll have the legs of and body of the elephant. You have to stick this. Okay, I'm going to stick this. After sticking the legs, we will have a product like this. Okay, now what you have to do, we have to draw the nails of the elephant. We have to draw 3 dots on each side of the leg, on the each side of 4 legs, right? Okay, I had done this. Now you have to make a cut so that we'll stick our face of the elephant. Make a cut of 1 or 2 inch only, like this. Okay, we are going to stick elephant's face here. With the remaining sheet, fold the sheet and make a semicircle in this sheet. We'll find our animal face here. We have to make a semicircle and we have to cut this semicircle. Okay, so we'll have an elephant's face. So this is our elephant's face. Ready? Yes. And with the remaining sheet, you have to fold the sheet and make 2 ears of the elephant. Just draw the we have 2 ears now. We are going to cut these ears and we are going to stick these ears on the elephant's face. Just use the Fevstick and paste it behind the face. Okay, middle of the 2 faces like this of the elephant. Now you have to draw 2 eyes of the elephants. So we have drawn 2 eyes. If you have a white sheet, you can make eyes like this too. Okay, for the ears, I'm gonna to stick some red paper which I had cutted. This in Appu's face is ready. Now what we have to do? What is missing? Yes, try. So I had cut a rectangle type of paper from my remaining sheet. Okay. Now you have to fold this sheet and open it. It will be in zigzag shape and stick it on Gappu's face. Okay, so my Gappu's trunk is ready. If you want, you can draw some lines like this on the Gappu's face and make a little smiley on his face. Okay, so I had made these type of lines on the ears and these type of lines on the Gappu's trunk. Okay, now what we have to do, our body is ready, our face is ready. When we had given a cut on this body, now we have to make Gappu's face from the back side and stick it in this body like this. Okay, now he is ready. If you want, you can stick it from the ear side. Okay, and make a tail from a thin rectangle from Gappu's. Okay, so we'll have a finished product like this. And you have to stick to teeth to take a white paper and make a rectangle on it and make Gappu's two teeth. I hope you liked today's craft. Keep like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye. We will meet with a new story, new craft and maybe some study related video. Bye. Share your pics with your Gappu. Bye bye.